What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can scan a QR code using the Revolut app, that being a QR code of someone else that you need to send money to. So let's get started. So to scan a QR code on the Revolut app, first off, once you log in into your Revolut account, you will be on your default homepage. So from here, to scan a QR code, just go ahead and tap on the payment section right here in the middle. From there, you will see all the people that you sent previously money to, but what you need to do from here is just tap on the search bar right here at the top of the screen, and then you should be able to see this QR code icon right in the search bar. So just go ahead and tap on the QR code icon, and then a QR code scanner will load. So from there, you can just scan a QR code that you wanted to scan, but you can also tap on my code right here and then get your own QR code for a payment that someone can make to your Revolut account. But essentially guys, that's how you can find a QR code scanner on the Revolut app and scan a QR code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.